Welcome to Ngobothente Shop Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobothente Shop Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0 Siwelele 0. Photo kunjani?
Yaphila mapolo.
Siyaphila man. Ubukeka unganeme.
Kunzima mapolo. Now akasifisi in reality singabantu ne. Singabantu abamnyama. This is African football or South African football.
Yeah.
The Chiefs must do the right thing.
What must they do?
Mabenzi nto right abantu. They know what they're supposed to do.
Maybe they don't know.
They do. But alani nyanga. Ayikho lento le. Kuthiwa abafana benza yonke into.
Yiphi nyanga la kumele bayibhatala?
They know. They know. They know. They know what they're supposed to pay. Kuthiwa ayikho lento le. Yabona look at our previous game ne. Where Uto Prince emesa ichance ibingakora ngisho ngumfana nontombazana lomntwana yabona butwam siyayazi lento ungaya eManzimville ungaya anywhere ne ezinto ziyenzeka yeva butwam please man Chiefs do the right thing man Chiefs they must do the right thing they do everything right
sokola abalandeli manje
buti we are suffering Makhosi we are suffering
Chiefs
management we are suffering siyacela nenze into right man it doesn't matter ukuthi nebhatala malini even if us donate we will do that siyacela man because ayikho noba ningaqasha uGuardiola noba ngaqasha ubani ngeke bawin they can take uPito they can take uManqoba they can take everyone babenza amakhosi bonke babe 20 ayikho into sayiwina ayikho kuthiwa ayikho abakhohlwe singabantu abamnyama Mr Mtawungu I so wish ingafika ayikabi I so wish ingafika kubo lento le
ayizofika
yasilimaza man yasilimaza man they must just do the right thing man
siyabonga kakhulu
bhatala nabantu man
ababhadale
noba ngaqasha inyanga eziyi20 it's okay
ababhadale
mashemahle
inkosi tathu
yabona benza yonke into efanele bayenze but without ubuntu or isintu we're going nowhere
yazokala siyabonga ayibazwile yathemba bazwile la kubuthi